Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sharmila, Assistant Professor, Department of Industrial Biotechnology, School of Bioengineering, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Today I am going to talk about total quality management. The topic is Introduction to Total Quality Management. What is total quality management? Introduction is the total quality management is an extensive and structured organization management. That approach is focuses on continuous quality improvement of products and services by using continuous feedback. The total quality management is an extensive and structured organizational management approach that focuses on continuous quality improvement. Joseph Juran was one of the founders of total quality management. Total quality management originated in the industrial sector of Japan in the era of 1954. What is total quality management? Total, that is everything. Quality, degree of excellence. Then management, that is art, act, or way of organizing, controlling, planning, directing to achieve certain goals. Okay, management, that is art, comma, act, or way of organizing, controlling, planning, directing to achieve certain goals. So the total quality, total means everything, quality means degree of excellence. Okay, what is quality? The dictionary has many definitions. Essential characteristic, superior, etc. Some definitions that are accepted in various organizations. Quality is customer satisfaction, quality is fitness for use, and quality a comprehensive organization wide effort to improve the quality of products and services applicable to all organizations. So the quality is a customer satisfaction. That is, the quality is always depends upon the customer satisfaction. To satisfy the customer, we have to give that the product should be quality. So quality is fitness for use. If any things, if we are going to use, the quality should be there. We always used to search whether the product is having that quality or not. A comprehensive organization wide effort to improve the quality of product and services applicable to all organizations. To ensure that they are set at the right levels, we need to quantify them. We quantify them by having the customer impose acceptable numerical ranges or limits on their values. So the quality is the customer satisfaction. The quality is fitness for use. Then another definition, a management philosophy embracing all activities through which meets the expectations of the customer and community and the objectives of the organization are satisfied in the most efficient and cost-effective manner by maximizing the potential of all employees in a continuing drive for improvement. Okay, what does TQM focus on? What does total quality management focus on? What is total quality management? A core definition of total quality management, it describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. If the company satisfies the customer satisfaction, customer desire, that long-term success, it will be there in the particular company. So the management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. In a DQM effort, all members of an organization participate in improving processes, products, services, and the culture in which they work. Okay, the 8 universal principles of quality management. In the total quality management systems, there are 8 universal principles. The principle 1, that is customer focus. You need to focus on customer satisfaction, customer desires, what they want, the customer companies, everything. That customer focus is the first principle. Second is that leadership. The person who is having that potential to lead the employees, that is leadership. Then principle 3, that is people involvement. The fourth one, process approach. Then the fifth one is systematic approach to management. Then the principle says that is continual improvement. The principle 7 is factual approach to decision making. If you take the total quality management, the decision making is very, very important. They have to take the decision in the correct time to rectify the problems and then complaints from the customer side. That last principle, that is mutually beneficial supplier relations. These are the 8 universal principles of the total quality management. Customer focus, leadership, people involvement, process approach, systematic approach to the management, continual improvement, decision making, and mutually beneficial supplier relations. Then focus on customer, employee involvement, process center, that is process thinking and process handling. That process center is depends upon this, focusing on this process thinking and the process handling. Then integrated system, strategic and systematic approach, decision making based on fact, then communication, then continuous improvement. Okay, the principles of TQ. First, management commitment. Now I'll tell you what are the uh, management commitment. Plan, do, check, act. That is PDCA. Plan, that is drive or direct. Do, deploy, support, participate. Then check, that is review. Then act, recognize, communicate, and revise. So these are the 4 management commitment. Plan, check, act, PDCA. Then employee empowerment. In this thing, another 4, that is training. They have to give training for the employee. Then only they will run the, they will cooperate, they will run this instruments and equipments on properly. So they have to send the employees for the training courses. That is under the employee suggestion scheme. The leaders, the person who is going to run this mission and all, they can give the suggestions how to operate, what are the things need to change, and the schemes, suggestion schemes, it will be there in the second one. Then measurement and recognition. Then fourth one is excellence teams. So the fact-based decision making, SPC, that is statistical process control, that is next DOE and FMEA. Then the 7 statistical tools. Then TOPS, that is for 8D, team-oriented problem solving. Then the continuous improvement, the systematic measurement and focus on consequences. Then excellence team. Then cross-functional process management, attain, maintain, improve standards. Attain, maintain, improve standards. The 8 primary elements of TQM are as follows. The total quality management can be summarized as a management system for a customer-focused organization that involves all employees in continual improvement. It uses strategy, data, and effective communications to integrate the quality discipline into the culture and activities of the organization. Many of these concepts are present in the modern quality management system. The success to TQM, that is, 8 principles, that is, customer focused, ultimately determines the level of quality. First, and already I told you that the customer focused. The customer ultimately determines the level of quality. No matter what an organization does to foster quality improvement, training employees, integrating quality into the design process, upgrading computers or softwares, buying new measuring tools, customer determines whether the efforts were worthwhile. So the customer focused is ultimately determines the level of quality. That is, no matter what an organization does to foster the quality improvement. Next is total employee involvement. So all employees that participate in working toward common goals. Total employee commitment can only be obtained after fear has been driven from the workplace, when the empowerment has occurred and management has provided the proper environment. High performance works systems integrate the continuous improvement efforts with the normal business operations. Self-managed work teams are one form of empowerment. The fundamental part of total quality management is a focus on process thinking. A process is a series of steps that take inputs from suppliers, internal or external, and transforms them into outputs that are delivered to customers, again, either internal or external. The steps required to carry out the process are defined, and performance measures are continuously monitored in order to detect unexpected variations. The integrated system, although an organization may consist many different functional specialties, often organized into vertical structured departments, it is the horizontal processes interconnecting these functions that are the focus on TPM. Microprocesses add up to larger processes, and all processes aggregate into the business processes required for the defining and implementing strategy and other stakeholders. Everyone must understand the vision, mission, and guiding principles as well as the quality policies. Objectives, critical processes of the organization, business performance must be monitored and communicated continuously. An integrated business system may be modeled after the Baldrige National Quality Program criteria and incorporate the ISO 9000 standards. Every organization has a unique work culture, and it is virtually impossible to achieve excellence in its products and services unless a good quality culture has been fostered. Every organization has a unique work culture, and it is visually impossible to achieve excellence in its products and services unless a good quality culture has been fostered. Thus, an integrated system connects business improvement elements in an attempt to continually improve and exceed the expectation of customers employees. Next is the strategic and systematic approach. A critical part of the management of quality is the strategic and systematic approach to achieving organization's vision, mission, and goals. This process called strategic planning or strategic management includes the formulation of a strategic plan that integrates quality as a core component. Next, if you see that is continual improvement. A major thrust of total quality management is a continual process improvement. It drives an organization to be both analytical and creative in finding ways to become more competitive and more effective at meeting stakeholder expectations. So, continual improvement, a major thrust of total quality management is a continual process improvement. Next, we can see that is fact-based decision making. In order to know how well an organization is performing, data on performance measures are necessary. PQM requires that an organization continually collect and analyze data in order to improve decision-making accuracy, achieve consensus, and allow prediction based on past history. So that the decision-making, that is in order to know the how good organization is performing. Yes, very very important point is decision making. So next is communication. During times of organizational change as well as part of day-to operation, the day-to-day operation that the effective communications plays a large part in maintaining morale and motivating employees at all levels. Communication involves strategies, method, and timeliness. So now we'll see that what are the features of total quality management. Customer oriented. First, the TQM focuses on customer satisfaction through the creation of better quality product and services at lower cost. That is, the TQM focuses on customer satisfaction through creation of better quality products. Next is employee involvement and empowerment. The teams focus on quality improvement projects and employees are empowered to serve the customers well. Next is organization wide. Total quality management involves every department or division. Continuous improvement. Quality improvement is a never ending journey. So we can keep on improve the quality. That is a never ending journey. It will improve at this when that company is running, they need to improve the quality. The strategic focus. The quality is viewed as a strategic competitive weapon. Next is process management. The TQM adopts the concepts of prevention through process management. Change in corporate culture. The total quality involves the creation of a work culture that is conducive to quality improvement, change in corporate culture. Okay, now we'll see what are the benefits of total quality management. First is, here we can see the main benefits. If we follow the total quality management, what are the benefits? Attain a higher profitability and increased market share. The first one. attain, that is, to reach a higher profitability and increased market share. Then improve the customer satisfaction. Then improve the organizational productivity. Improve employee morale and job satisfaction. Then create a positive work culture. Then another benefit is undertake systematic problem solving and decision making through project teams. Next is improve teamwork. Then create a climate conducive to continuous improvement, numerous benefits. It enables organizations. In this picture, you can see the benefits of total quality management. First is focus on customer. You need to focus on the customer. Then employee involvement, process centered, integrated system, strategic and systematic approach, decision making based on fact, communication, continuous improvement, and focus on customer. Okay. Then planning stage, doing stage, checking stage, and acting stage. Next is quality control. That is standard, efficiency, reliability, satisfaction, check, warranty. Okay. Next, the another benefits that improved quality, employee participation, teamwork, working relationship, customer satisfaction. Okay, why the quality is important? First, competition. Today's market demand high quality product at low cost. So everybody we knows that we demand the high quality product at the low cost. Having high quality reputation is not enough. The internal cost of maintaining the reputation should be less. Next, change in customer. The new customer is not only commanding priority based on volume, but is more demanding about the quality system. Then, changing product mix. The shift from low volume, high price to high volume, low price have resulted in a need to reduce the internal cost of poor quality. Then product complexity. As systems have become more complex, the reliability requirements for suppliers of components have become more stringent. Higher levels of customer satisfaction. Higher customers' expectations are getting spawned by increasing the competition. Then quality perspectives. Typical responses about the definition of quality would include perfection, consistency, eliminating waste, speed of delivery, compliance with policies and procedures, doing it right the first time, delighting or praising customers, total customer satisfaction and service. This is quality perspectives. Perfection, consistency, eliminating waste, speed of delivery, compliance with the policy and procedures, doing it right the first time. The necessity of TQ. What are the necessity? Why we need to follow the total quality management? The quality must be managed. The process can be managed, not people or the problem. Don't read the symptoms, but search for the cure. That is very important. Every employee is responsible for the quality. Quality should be measurable. Quality improvement is a continuous process. Quality is a long-term investment. So it's the necessity. Quality can be managed and it must be managed. Don't treat the symptoms. We need to search for the cure. We have to cure them. So that every employee is responsible for the quality. Okay. What are the basic concepts of total quality management? That is leadership, customer satisfaction, employee involvement, continuous process improvement, supplier partnership, performance measures. Okay, the six basic concepts of PQM: leadership, customer satisfaction, employee involvement, continuous process improvement, then supplier partnership, performance measures. Then the key issues that is related to total quality management. The cost of quality, a change in culture, way of approach of the organization, enabling missions of change, customer relationship management, leadership and strategic planning, processes management, data and information management. Then we see the quality levels at organization level, at process level. First, at organization level, which product and services meet your expectation? Which product and services you need that you are not currently receiving? Organization level, which product and which services that meet your expectation? How? Then which product and services you need that you are not currently receiving? That is organization level. In the process level, what product and services are most important to the external customer? What product and services are most important to the external customer? Then what processes it produce those products and services? What are the key inputs to those processes? Which processes have most significant effects on the organization performance standards? The quality in services, technical quality versus functional quality. What is technical quality and functional quality? The technical quality, that is the core element of the good or service. In case the functional quality, customer perception of how the good functions or the service is delivered. Customer perception of how the good functions or the service is delivered. Expectation and perceptions. The customer's prior expectation generalized and specific service experiences. Satisfaction is like a perception of performance and then the expectation. That is the satisfaction. Then organizational benefits. What are the organizational benefits? Great customer loyalty, market share improvement, higher stock prices, reduced service costs, higher prices of products, greater productivity, employee satisfaction. Okay, what is a customer? Who is customer? Anyone who is impacted by the product or process delivered by an organization is customer. So, who is customer means anyone can be a customer. The external customer and internal customer. Well, who is the external customer? The end user as well as intermediate processor. Other external customers may not be purchasers but may have some connection with this product. The internal customers, other divisions of the company that receive the processed product, that is internal customers. Okay, what is the product? What is the product? The output of the process carried out by the organization. It may be goods or automobiles or any softwares, any computers, services, banking, insurance. That is the product. Okay, how the customer satisfaction is achieved? That is two dimensions. The product features and freedom from deficiency. Product features, it refers to quality of design. Examples in manufacturing industry: performance, reliability, durability, ease of use, aesthetics, etc. Example in service industry, that is accuracy, timeliness, friendliness, courtesy, and knowledge of server, etc. Freedom from deficiencies, that is refers to quality of performance. Higher conformance means that fewer complaints and an increased customer satisfaction. This is like related to free from defect. Okay, so now I want to conclude that total quality management is a very important concept that is used to apply in an organization or company or daily operations. The TQM principles, it must be supported at all levels of the organization or company, has to be effective in improving quality from the lowest level ever. The McDonald used this technique in an effective manner. So the total quality management has become a vital cornerstone to gain a competitive edge, productivity, and high customer satisfaction. So the total quality management as a vital cornerstone to gain a competitive edge, and it must be supported at all levels of the organization or any company, any industries, has to be effective in improving the quality from the lowest levels of our life. Okay, so the TQM is a very important concept that can be used to apply in any organization or any industries. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.